everyone, today is an exciting video, and if you know what when I say an exciting video, it normally means an advent calendar unboxing, because I love to unbox advent calendars. I really do. I enjoy them. I've really enjoyed them this year. I don't really go into the high-end advent calendars really, but I do like to try and find the best budget one, or really just give you my 2 pence on it, which means my thoughts on the advent calendars I'm unboxing. But I seen this one and I'm really excited about this one. This is the Lottie London 12 Days of Sleigh advent calendar. It says contains 11 best-selling minis plus 1 full size. I haven't seen anyone unbox this, so I do not know what I'm getting in it. It doesn't have like pictures on the back. I haven't really read it either because I want it to be a surprise. And I've never really tried anything from Lottie London. I think I've tried an eyebrow brush from them, and that's it. So I bought this for myself. But anyways, let's just unbox this advent calendar. It's a 12-day advent calendar I bought from Superdrug, but you can get it from Feel Unique too. I paid £15 or $14.99 for it. I ordered it online and just picked it up in store. And it is a 12-day. So we are gonna get into unboxing this advent calendar. Right, I hope you can see it all right. So what we're going to do is look for number 1. I think I've told you everything like the price and that before. So in day number 1, we have got a little like square box. I love the packaging of this advent calendar. It's very simple, very pretty. I'm really excited about it. So day number 1, so we're getting 12 minis and a 1 full size. So day number 1 is, let's have a look, a Sleigh All Day matte liquid lip in a beautiful colour, and it says it's in the shade OMG. So I'm assuming this must be one of their best-selling matte liquid lips. I've never tried anything from Lottie London. That is such a stunning colour. That is such a stunning colour. Very coral, pretty. So that's nice. That's a nice size in itself, to be honest to me, because I never use how long it takes to use a lip product, or even a lip balm for me is like, it takes me ages. So that size is a really good size to me. Right, so that was day number 1. So we got day number 2, which is like a bigger square here. I feel sad opening this box. This advent calendar, it's so pretty. Alright, it is a Shimmer Squad. I don't know what it is. A Shimmer Squad Illuminator. So I'm thinking it's a highlighter and it's in the Good Girl. And it just looks like quite a nice size and all in itself. This is it here. We'll swatch it, obviously. Ooh, that is so pretty. Can you see it? I'm trying to catch it there. Can you see it? Ooh, I'm excited about that. Try and get back up. Right. Day number 3 is a one here. So this is a day number 3. Let's have a look. The tabs on these are very good. Alright, this looks metallic-y. Let's see if I can get it out. They've even got good finger pulls. Like the advent calendar is quite well designed. It is, I think, a lipstick and I think it's a lipstick in Holla. It is, oh, it's a duochrome lip gloss in Twist, in the shade Twist. Oh my god. Oh, I don't know when I would ever wear this, but oh my god, I might wear it for videos. That is crazy. I wonder if you could put that on your eyes. I think if you could put that on your eyes, I would put it on my eyes and set it with translucent powder. Oh my god, that is it there. That is crazy. That is so pretty. Right, so we're on day number 4. So it's a little square here. Oh, I love it. This packaging might be my favourite packaging of advent calendars. Right, oh, we've got a shadow swatch. So I'm assuming an eyeshadow. An eyeshadow, yes, in the shade Maya, which looks like a perfect transition shade. Right. That is it there. I definitely think this is like a perfect transition shade. I'm going to swatch it, obviously. Oh, the formula, this is so pretty. Yes, I think that is like a transition shade. That is date number 5. Date number 5 is here. Ooh, what's this? It's an eye foil. Ooh, exciting. Exciting. Oh, wow. Look at that. Right, so this is, it says a metallic eyeshadow topper. Ooh, and this is in the shade Denied. Didn't feel like it got anything off. So we'll put it on top. Ooh, it did get something off. My God. Who needs to buy the Stila glitter shadows when you've got the collection Glam Crystals and these Lottie London ones? Wow, that's so pretty. And these sample sizes are good sizes. Like, I mean, I'm not being funny, but how long does it take you to use the eyeshadow up or a highlighter or something like that? These aren't like stingy sizes, you know? If you know what I mean. They're good sizes. Right, we've got day number 6. I'm loving this advent calendar up to now. Is here. Oh, it looks like we've got another highlighter. It says a Lottie London Shimmer Squad highlighter again, but this is in Queen Bee. It's a bit darker, so this might be a bit too dark for me. Oh my God, that is pretty. What I was wondering is, because I'm doing 24 days of advent calendar unboxings, I swatch all these for use on videos, but some are too dark for me. Are you first if you would like me to do a giveaway on swatched items? That's, I wanted to ask you that, because if I'm not wearing it on my face, I've only swatched it with my fingers. My fingers are clean. I'm quite a hygienic person, so let me know down below, just so they don't go to waste, because I have no family who wear makeup. So I might do that if you think that would be interested in a little giveaway on my 24 days of Christmas of the swatched up that are the wrong shades for me. So let me know. So that's date number 6. So we want date number 7. It's another one of them square ones, which I'm assuming is a lip product, but it could even be one of them lip foils or even something totally different. Right, we've got a Sleo Date Metallic. So I think this is a metallic lip. This is a matte metallic liquid lipstick in Boy Bye. Ooh, this is very Christmassy. I didn't even know if I showed you. I'm just getting so excited in myself. Right, we'll do it here. Oh my God, this is stunning. This is stunning. This is so right up my street. This makes me think of Tiffany and all Tiffany. I just think I could sit and imagine you in this shade if you're watching this. I might actually, oh my God, that is stunning. I might wear this for Christmas Day. It is absolutely gorgeous. Right, so that is day number 7. So we want day number 8, which is the one down here. It's another eyeshadow. That's exciting. So we've got 2 eyeshadows. This one looks like a shimmery one. This is in the shade Emma. It's like a mauve shimmer, a mauve shimmer. It's very faint, but it's very pretty. Can you see it? I think with an eyeshadow brush, it might come off a bit more thingy, more intense. You can see it more in person than you are. The camera's picking it up. It's very nice. What day was that? I'm getting overexcited. Day number 8. So we went day number 9. It's here. Right, we got another Sleo Day. So these are the lips, I'm assuming. Matte liquid lipstick. So this is just a plain one, and this is in Girl Power. I'm just getting in my own groove, I'm sorry. This is like a nude colour. That is it there. It definitely doesn't look like the colour on the tube. I don't know what the formula leaves are like I say, because I've never used anything from them. So we want day number 10. We're right near the end. Day number 10 is another square one at the bottom. Oh wow, this looks gorgeous. Now this is for the pale girls here. This is a Lottie Shimmer Squad in the highlighter, basically, in the BFF. Is everything called Shimmer Squad on their range? I don't know. This is definitely for the paler girls out there. Can you see it? Oh, it goes off like pink. I don't have a swatch because I don't think my swatch was the best. So this is 2 layers of it. Oh, that's really pretty, that. That's really pretty, and it's in the BFF. The BFF, so just in case I forgot to mention that. So we want day number 11, which is here. Oh, this looks gorgeous. Whatever you are. This is a lip file. Alright. Iridescent lip topper. And it is an over. Right, so should we put it over this matte lip here? First one we swatched. Ooh. And that's it on its own there. And then that's it over the lip. That's really pretty, that. And it's an over it, just in case I didn't say. And then we have got day number 12, which I'm assuming is the full size because it's the biggest one. So we're on the last day. How sad. And this is a Lottie London glitter switch. I've just flung my advent calendar on the floor. So I'm assuming it's one of them ones where you, and it makes your lips glittery. It says read me first. Let's have a look. Where's that? Read me first. Let's have a go then. We'll read you. We don't mind. Apply an even coat to the lips. Leave to dry for 1 minute. Press lips together and reveal the glitter magic. So let's have a go. You know, why not? I love the lip colour I've got on today, but come on. We've got to have a go with this. One unusual applicator. It's flat. I've let it to dry, as you can see. So now we've got to rub our lips together. Oh yeah. It's definitely doing something. But my lips aren't looking the best because I did have a matte lip underneath. But can you see, just slightly, it's nothing crazy. You could actually go out the house with this. It's just tiny little bits of glitter. It's nothing crazy. I've got it here. Oh, I've smudged it on my jumper. Should I rub it and see if that glitters up? Yeah, you can see it, definitely. Oh, I like that. I like that. I can't wait to try it properly. But anyways, what did you think of this advent calendar? I thought it was really good. It was £15. I feel like all the sizes, you know, because it says sample sizes, but they are good sample sizes. They are not terrible sample sizes. They are sizes you could get a few uses out, tell if you like it. I really enjoyed this. I really enjoyed this. This kind of beat the W7 one. Probably because it's a Lottie London and I haven't tried much. But then again, I haven't tried much W7. It's still a very lip orientated box. The W7 one was a lip orientated, quite an advent calendar too. But I really like it. I like both. That one's a 12 day and that one was a 24. I paid less for the W7 one, but this is a better brand, I think. But this is probably my best 12-day advent calendar I've unboxed. I think it's a great value for money. I mean, when you think about it, it works out about £1 something a product, I think. Don't quote me on my maths, £1.24, 25, something like that. I don't know. It's something along that lines. And when you think about it, I would pay £1.25 for that in their liquid lipsticks. And that is a good size. You will get a good few uses out of that. Then you've got that full size one and all, which I don't know how much their liquid lipsticks are, but I'm thinking they're like £7, maybe even more. I don't know. I've never tried anything from their brand, so I've really loved this advent calendar. I am voting this my best 12-day that I've unboxed. Definitely so. Like beauty calendar wise, or even all that 12 days I've unboxed. Definitely so. With every penny, I'm so excited about every product. I mean, yes, granted, like some I might not wear very often, but I'm excited to try it and give it a go and something different. I really like this. I'm going to link it down below because I think it's worth it. Like I did with the W7 one, I linked that down below because I thought that one was really worth it. I really think this is worth it, and I think if you wanted this as a gift, even just if you bought it and took all the things out, put in a nice gift bag for your daughter, something like that, you will get an incredible value, I feel. And anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like these type of videos, please subscribe down below if you haven't already. And I'm doing 24 days of videos in Christmas, so if you want to see more of me, then you know where to press the button. And I will see you all in my next one. Bye!